Hello friends, welcome to Azure Data Factory's video series. In this part, we will create our first Azure Data Factory. This session will be quick one to complete all the agenda available for this hands-on session. Quickly, let's go to the agenda. We'll be having the prerequisite discussion, and second one is the hands-on session or demo. So what is the prerequisites needed for this Azure Data Factory to create? We should have an Azure subscription. Once the subscription is available, we have to create Azure Data Factory. The purpose of this demo, when we are going to see some real-time activity, there we need an Azure storage account. We are going to create that as well in this session. Let's move on. What is the use case what we are going to achieve in this demo? We have a simple text file which we need to copy the file from one source location to a destination location using Azure Data Factory. Clear, right? Let's start. Alright, this is portal.azure.com and this is my account which is having Azure subscription. It is a free subscription which I have opted for. Then what I can do right now, I'm going to create a resource group. Let's call the resource group RG demo. So as you see, this is my free tier. I can select the resource group like RG demo. I will select this one. Let's say, let me select West Europe. Now we can see the validation is passed. Let's create. So resource group is created. Go to the resource group. Now the next step is we need to create a Azure Data Factory. Click on this create button and search for Data Factory. Select this Data Factory. Click on this create. You can see by default the subscription or resource group already selected because I started the create button inside the resource group. Put the name of the data factory. I put ADF-OF24 tech. Let me create this one, same West Europe. Review and create. It will take a while to create the data factory. We need to wait for that. During this process, you can see this notification where the deployment is going on. Once it is done, you can see this. Yes, now it is complete. We can go to the resource. Here is the Azure Data Factory. Now the next step is we need to create a storage account. Go to our resource group, click on this create button and type here storage account. Click on the create. As you see, by default subscription resource group already selected. I need to put a storage account name. Storage account name will not allow you any special character, so I just put something and I can see region is West Europe, so it is good for me. Let's go for the default one. In another session we will go through in detail all the properties for Azure storage account, but for this demo purpose we will skip to deep dive into that. So let's create this quickly. It is trying to validate all our settings, whatever we try to create. Now the validation is complete. I can click on the create. It's submitted for the deployment. Soon it is going to be create the Azure storage account for me. Alright, now the deployment is complete. I can go here. Here there is a containers. Click on this container, create a new container. For our demo purpose, I have to create a source folder. And here I will place the file which I wanted to use. Let me open what is the text file which I created for this demo purpose. In this demo, I'm going to upload this file to this storage location, and this is the file which we are going to copy from source location to destination using ADF. Let me upload this file. Yep, upload is done. If you want to check it, you can download and check it. Yeah, here you go. The file has been uploaded successfully and I can verify. Now let's go to the Azure Data Factory for rest of the things to complete. So as you see, here is my Azure Data Factory. There is a button called Launch the Studio. So this will open the editing version of Azure Data Factory. All right, I'll go through this in detail. What are the different features and options available in this Azure Data Factory? For now, what is important, we need to create a linked service. What is a link service? Link service is something like a connection string which define the connection information needed for the service to connect to external resources. But never mind, it will be very clear when we are going through this activity soon. So creating a linked service, you have to click on this. Here is the linked services. Click on the new. We are going to create the link service for data lake. So I have to select Azure Data Lake Storage in 2. I need to select the subscription. I need to select the storage account to check I can test the connection. All right, this connection is successful. Click on the create. The link service is created now. Now go to the author, this pencil icon. Click on this, create a new data set, Azure Data Lake Gen 2. Select the binary file, create the name of the data set, select the data set which we created. It's a file system. Let me find out the folder where we have placed our file. It is the source folder and demo data.txt. Selected this, click on OK and OK. This data set has been created and this is for the source. Similarly, we have to create a new data set for our destination. In my storage account, I have created the containers like source folder, but I don't have anything called a destination which I am going to create. Azure Data Factory has a capability. It is going to create while you are going to run this activity. That time it is going to create by own. So let's try that. So the previous one was source folder. Let me call this one as destination folder. Target file, target demo file .txt. Click OK. Let's go to the pipeline, create a new pipeline. So I need to choose the activity from here, like copy activity to the destination. So for this, we have a source object here where I need to select the source dataset, and in that sink I need to select the destination data set. Click on the debug. You can see the pipeline status has been started. Here is the copy activity started. If you click on this input, it is going to see what is the input value is coming. Here is the refresh button which you can click and see. So this has been succeed. So let's see by going to our containers. Let me refresh. Alright, you can see here destination folder has been come here, and you can see the target demo file also available. Let me download this file. Here is the file. So the file has been successfully copied and all the data is as it is available. So I think for today we have achieved our goal. So thank you very much for today. See you in the next video in next time. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.